Hey you guys, let's begin with the look. I have prepped my skin well and I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I will apply the tiniest amount on my forehead to avoid settling of foundation in the fine lines. And with the Damn Beauty blender, I'm going to blend the foundation into my skin. Make sure to dab and blend the foundation for the natural finish. The beauty blender should not be soaky wet but just damp. Make sure to cover your ears too. Then with the Inside 2X Cover Master Concealer, I am going to target all the points where I need some brightness. And I am in the shade 03 Golden Sand. Using the same beauty blender, I am going to blend the concealer in. Make sure you do not move the concealer and just pat it in, as it will tend to move your base. Using the remaining product on the beauty blender, I am also going to cover my eyelids, which will also act as a primer for the eyeshadows. As you can see, my imperfections are not covered and that is the look we are going for. And also I forgot to apply lip balm. I am using the Himalaya lip balm. Then with the Max 4 2-in-1 compact powder, I am going to set all the areas which normally tend to crease. In my case, I have to set my complete face. Then further using the talcum powder to set my under eyes with the same beauty blender. I also wanted to set my T-zones, so here we go. Using the Miss Claire's waterproof eyebrow pencil, I am going to fill my eyebrows. I am also using 05 Creamy Chocolate, but that's not my shade. Very light-handedly with gentle strokes and following the hairline, I am going to fill my eyebrows until I feel that I am satisfied with the way it looks. And then using any angled brush, I am going to be cleaning the eyebrow shape with the concealer that I have used earlier, and then blending the concealer with the beauty sponge. This is how you use a single beauty sponge for all your makeup. Then dusting off the excess powder that has been sitting there for too long. I zoomed you in. Taking any dark brown eyeshadow, pat the color on your entire eyelid and take it up a little further. As you can see, there are prominent lines. So to blur that out, use a clean brush and blend the edges for the ombre effect. Then, taking any light eyeshadow, pat the color into your inner corner of your eyes. This immediately opens up your eye. Then using the mascara on the upper and lower eyelid and attempting to draw a perfect wing eyeliner. Using the Sugar Mini Bronzer palette, I am going to bronze my cheek, jawline, forehead and nose to bring back color and try to make my face look less rounder. A small tip for people who has broader forehead like me, bronzing and contouring the forehead can make it look a little smaller. contouring the heck out of my jaw for the sleek jawline. Then using a floral pink as a blush from my eyeshadow palette, starting from the apple of my cheeks till the temples of the hair and remaining product on my nose. Using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold for highlighting the high points of my face. You can also use a shimmery eyeshadow as a highlighter. Then dotting the pink lip tint on the lips and mattifying it using the compact powder. Here you have a beautiful everyday look. Do let me know in the comment whether you tried it or not. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay clean, stay healthy. Bye bye.